Today I'm going to write a custom node to convert subtitles into video, and then today we will use Runpod 4080 Super, which costs 0.28 USD per hour. For 9 baht per hour, we get to play with a pretty good graphics card. Oh wait, I'll do it. Using the old version 3.10 CUDA 11.8 today, it will take up quite a bit space, 120 GB. Same as before, we don't say. Here it is 0.8188. Let's see how much time we will spend today. Install is okay. When we get here, we wait for the server to start for a while. Install, let us stay and let the word connect appear. But wait, today I'm also learning how to write custom nodes. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, open Jupyter. Today we will use command line to install ComfyUI. Now time. It takes about 2 minutes to set up Runpod. Okay, let's call up terminal. You can go back and watch this if anyone wants to know the detailed method of installation. I explained it in the previous clip. Today I wrote this command summarized in episode 7. I'm the same, learn to ComfyUI. Let's see, the page opens. Oh, we've opened it here. Click here, copy, no need to type. Now in 3 minutes, we will start installing the UI. Count the time now. Oh, we got ComfyUI. Let's go to the next step. Copy the command too. Creating a virtual environment is easy, right? If anyone has been following my series, you will know that it is easy. And then press this button to copy without having to type until you are tired. We will get a virtual environment and then go to the next step. Today, use this version for my Runpod. Today CUDA 11.8, so I will install this. For PTurk 4 minutes, you can see how long it takes to install PTurk. I will not cut the clip at all. Yes, let's watch this clip together and see the speed of the graphics card we chose today. I forgot to mention that I chose the 4080 Super graphics card, which has about 16 GB of RAM and GPU. The device has 62 GB of RAM and 120 GB of usable space, so the speed will be. It's something like this. You can see that I didn't type it, so I copied it from here. I've already done it all for you. Everything is done very easily. It takes about 1 minute to install PTurk, but if you use the script that I used to, I recommend that. It took almost 10 minutes because it's like using a graphical interface. Make it run slowly, but if we use the command line like this, it will be faster. But if some people it feels scary, don't be afraid of using any command. It's just letters that we're not familiar with. I have summarized it all and put it on the GitHub page. When it appears here, it means it is complete. We go to the next step. Come to this step and copy it into the Friends Details folder. Go read it yourself. I just copied and pasted, no need to explain much, and this is a copy. This requirement is 6 minutes to install ComfyUI. So it starts at 3 minutes. This takes about 3 minutes and we will go to custom node to install custom manager. Copy paste, copy this git clone, custom manager, copy paste, finish, paste, print CD. One folder comes out. This is already done for you when you exit the folder. Copy this to run Comfy. Now our ComfyUI server is about to start. See friends? If we set up the Runpod until we get to this point, it took us about 7 minutes. Yes, it was just a short while, and then we went back to normal. Open ComfyUI from here. Copy the port we set 8188. Open a new page. Place it. It takes about 7-8 minutes. Let's try it. Let's download the Flux model. We will use the Flux dev sample. Checkpoint. Well, we don't have to click on this one. Just close it and go to Custom Manager, then Model Manager. Select Checkpoint. Select Flux. this is the clip, and then we talked about all the details. I went quickly and downloaded the Flux dev. This is an all-in-one Flux checkpoint. We don't have to connect the nodes in a complicated way. The work is immediate with just one sign. But if we want to add more features, we can. Another type that uses a separator net is just playing around with the detail. This model is 17 GB and takes about 1 minute and 50 seconds to load. The server talks to the server. It downloads very quickly, so we just sit back and relax. The Runpod server we use is like a server that is shared with other people. Even if we use it, other people will be affected. It's like we are using the same computer. They compete to download, but if others don't download, the speed will probably increase. That's what we use Runpod for. That's why it's cheap, because of the one computer. The machine is like he took it to share with 2 people, 4 people, depending on the efficiency. For his computer, he gets 9 baht per hour if 8 people use the machine. They also get income from there on an hourly basis. But for anyone who having a machine at home is convenient. Personally, I'm not at home, so I don't have a computer strong enough to be Jane, so I had to find a way to get Jane. So it's like, oh, this is that. Another option for those who don't have a powerful computer. The main computer is called tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands. If it's a good computer, to get the desired image quality, the graphics card must be 24. Go up. I recommend that if you were born, enter the image generation industry, which is. Now there is generate video. I think my next series will be about video, and the custom node that I'm writing, I'm experimenting with it by creating. My avatar has subtitles. I will create my own. Let's talk. From now on, I don't have to talk anymore. I use the method of printing, and then creating a video, which is what I'm doing now. I got about 50. I can use the subtitles that I got from YouTube and convert them. It's a sound. Oh, I'll show it to you today. And after I get this sound, I'll take the sound. Create a lip sync clip with the video, which I'm going to use another one to combine. I'll see if it works or not. I don't know yet. Now I can make it read the subtitle file and output it as audio. My voice. I'll recommend you to watch this custom node that I just created. Wait for the Flux model to be finished. I will show you in a moment. It will take about 13 minutes. See, it's done. Now that we've reached this point, we can consider that we've completed the process. Install ComfyUI, then click edit once and click refresh. About 13 minutes. Okay, I'll make the screen bigger and then we'll finish installing. So, to sum it up, we spent about 13 minutes. Let's just go up here for a second this thing. I like it to be on top of the tab in settings. Select this as top bar. Settings, I like it to show the name too. Type the word bad and it will show also, which one is which. We don't have any other custom ones right now. This is for ComfyUI. They will write it. This is the ComfyUI. Let's try it out. Oh, I forgot. Just downloaded it. We have to select it here right away because the file is loaded different places. We have to press once to change the address. Okay, new generation. Don't be alarmed if it's red. Everything runs smoothly. This is full Flux. We don't have to connect at all. If anyone wants to come back here, just come here to browse templates, then come here. Flux, you can choose this one. Actually, there are many other workflows that we can play with here. If anyone wants to know the details of how to use it, I'll come and share it with you. I want to know something, what is used and how. But today, we only focus on Flux. We installed ComfyUI, which is called Complete. Next, I will introduce you to the project that I did. What I'm currently working on is converting the text subtitles into a speaking avatar. This kind of me From now on, I won't be on camera anymore. I'll let this avatar do everything for me. Okay, now I'm building it. Basically, I have to install this node first. He just recently released Megads, which has very good sound quality, but the disadvantage is that it's in English. There's no Thai language yet, which means we don't have any Thai developers who can do it. You can train Thai voices because Thai voices will take some time. I'm going to install a node. This is your A-lab that I'm going to post. Today I'm not going to post nightly. I'll choose. This is the latest version. I will take you to see the front page. I'll bring it down for you to see. I've already summarized it. Actually, in front of my house, it's actually called Megads, and it was developed by ByteDance. This person developed it again. ByteDance trains many models. One of the big ones should be, I think he owns some kind of game or some kind of software. This node will help convert our spoken audio file into a short file of about 10 seconds, and then it will be used as a model for us. I'll show you how to use it. The first way to install is that we have to come here, git clone. This is what we did. We installed from the custom manager. Next, we need to go here and install the requirements in the custom node. The way to go is 1. Press ComfyUI once. Press custom node in here when we come to the side in the custom node folder. Then we press the plus sign and then press terminal. Don't forget to activate the source virtual element by typing source/workspace/myvan. I named it myvan. Element bin and activate must be done like this first. Element bin and activate must be done like this first. Otherwise, there will be a problem with the installation. Then let's to see the files that will go into it. Fold this first CD ComfyUI Megads. Let's go inside here once ls to see the files. Okay, we need install all the files inside here. We just type pip install or then requirement enter. After that we will need to use it. This one is already written in code that tells you what the folder will say. These folders will be downloaded automatically. In this structure, we will return to our home page and then restart. Okay, that's it. When it comes up like this, press refresh on my screen. You have to be surprised. It's a node that I created. This repo I wrote so to speech. Here I will edit that we must also copy this command to install. Install requirement. My friend come to my house. This house is comfy so twas speech. Then copy this command. For those who are on Runpod, you have to install it. We need to have this first, otherwise it won't work. Just press and hold. Don't forget, when you install this, you have to be in the virtual element, otherwise there will be problem. Press enter to install it. It will be like a codec, an audio converter, something like FFMpeg if I remember. Once the code is done, we restart our ComfyUI and click on the file manager. Press the red restart button and our server will restart. Then it comes to the ComfyUI page. Refresh our screen once. Okay, this is a warning. This display is foractory. I have to install this. I just want to use this as a node. From this, I will use this too. Rig tree has a node to display all, which is quite useful for making notes or doing anything after installing TTS. Then I will install my node. My node does not exist in Custom Manager. I created it myself, so we have to install it manually. Just like before, go to the home page and click Copy Custom. Then we will go git clone it ourselves cd, which will be in the custom node. Clear to make it disappear and look clean, type ls la, which I will use git clone here to copy. Git clone and place the node. Read the custom node.dat. I created this one. When you install it, don't forget to install requirements. You need to install the requirements in my node too. So type cd comfy cert to speed ls/. If you notice this, my node has not been imported yet. If you look at the top, you will see that there is no module, so that's it. What we need to do is we need to install it. In my requirements, I go to custom node. Mine is in the folder and install the requirements. Similarly, type pip install our requirement, then restart ComfyUI again. Let's connect the workflow first. The main thing is we have to connect the workflow of a lab, audio voice maker, then drag audio in select load audio. And then audio out select preview. This is okay, right? So the main thing is the first thing. What we're going to do is we're going to upload the file in here first so that it can work on the front end. This is in the assets for friends to download. This is WavePy. Just download the file. Download one and put it on your computer. Anyone will do. Once it's downloaded, we upload WAV file. Open is done. We try to press and listen and keeping eternity before the eye. Okay, after this we're going to press run to download the model. In the meantime, it's going to do. Download the model to his model folder. The model will be in this T2S 7 Mega 3. This one is downloading now. Wait for a while. 33. It will have about... Look. If you go to the home page, the structure file will be downloaded for us. You have to download it yourself, or if you want to download it and keep it, go to the ByteDance page. Go to this person's home page. This is the owner of the code. He will keep all the files in here as well. All the files in here are the same as what they described here. These are the files. The entire structure is from here. Just wait for the file, several GB. Wait for it to load for the first time for a while, then ask why. I tried it and it was very good. Oh, the sound quality that comes out, my friends, let's try it out. It's crystal clear. If someone has a bad accent when they clone it, it can clone my voice too, but the method, clone our voice, I'll teach you later. The thing is, the owner of the mountain developed this Mega Test 3. He is concerned about security, so they didn't release the encoder, so it made it so that we couldn't create our own sounds. We can't train our voice by ourselves. The way is, we have to go to this person. He explained it like this. If we want to get our audio files, we have to go to the page. Friends, come to this point too and click this link. Submission. When friends come to this page, this is it. The sound of the villagers that he uploaded is everyone waiting in line too. It was converted in training, right? The job we don't have. So my friends, I personally use Audacity. This is a free program. You can download it under the name Audacity. Once the download is complete, we record our voice. Hello, test, record until it reaches about 10-15 seconds. This is the number of seconds 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But when recording, speak in language, English. Go find any text, record for about 15 seconds. When you're done, press press stop. No more than 15 seconds, and once the recording is complete, we click on the source file. Export audio, export to computer, and then select mono, this is important, and then select 16:0. 16, that's it. Just press export and give it a name. We remember anything, this is my James sound, anything like that, any name we remember, and most importantly, don't forget this mono 16 zeros, or they also recommended let it be 24/0, but this one only gives me 16/0 to choose from. You can choose custom here for 24/0, but I chose 16/0 and it passed as well. Then press export. Once the download is complete, it will be in the download folder. When you're done, just upload it to the previous webpage in Google Drive, and then just throw the files in here and they will train the voice for us. Actually, we can do it with this node, but because we don't have an encoder, this makes it so that we can train it ourselves, because when we finish training, we will get another file called NP. The NP file, let's say we submit it in this folder. The folder is called WAVQ, and when we get a file, it will be stored. In this case, let's call it user page. This is why we need to understand why we need to find our name, because there are many people submitting. Now, when it comes to downloading, download our name and this file, which is written as NP, which is the same as ours. So in this folder, we will have two files, or if anyone wants to try it now, download these files and try them out. It works, but it will be sound. It's just for the villagers, or just download it. That's what I do. Download it to play. I downloaded it from the official test. All files in here are used in the machine for testing. We will try to deno these files. BBC News. The reason they do this is because of security. Those scammers, it can take this encode and convert the sound to trick. So they won't. Just release the one that can train the voice so that the scammers can use it. It's a good reason why they do this, but we can also use these files to do this. If we get the same job, it's okay. Okay, so my friends won't be confused. If we want it, my own voice, I just have to do this, and the rest is just waiting. It will take about 1 week for them to read it. There will be a file, a converted audio file and the MP file. Let me use it. We come back to this page. It seems to be finished, and then it's done. Voice marker cleanup successful. Okay, let's check in. You see this? This is all the files that it just downloaded. Okay, so we're back here. We're done. This node doesn't work anymore because it doesn't have an encoder. So we close it, and we will play a node called. Click this right, go to add node AI audio. This is the first one, Mega T3. This one will be. There are parameters for us to use. Another one can be used as well. It's simple. No need to have any setting value, or we can try simple. Before that, it's easy to use this node. Just like before, we type in the text, and then it will generate the sound for us. That's it. The node will be this short. It's a save or a preview. You can press save. Oh, and the other one is a preview. You can listen when it's clear. At this point, we have to choose the right model. So there will be a method. In this model, I need to copy the two files that we got from Google Drive. These are the ones. So if anyone doesn't have any, the file comes here, voice sample, press in this folder of Google Drive. Then try selecting any file, one of them, 1, 2, 3. What is this? I'll show you guys. I downloaded all of these and then went to ComfyUI and went to custom node. Then go into TTS and then into voice, a voice. I think it's used in the folder voice vsmall. Suppose your friends download it from Google. Drive is finished, right? These files are both downloaded, NP and the dot file. Let's say this one. I'll throw all of them in here. There are 47. The sound one of them feels like this has my voice too. I have the NP file because I made it. It's been a week. We've been experimenting and it's the same. When we upload it, it's like a model. Those files, right? So we have to refresh these ones to find them. Then we can't write typing any text. This one, then we'll paste it into this one. Use simple first. We'll close this one for now. We copy this and then select a sound, let's say BBC New. This person is an English person and just this note, it will be short and then we press it. Chain took about 22 seconds, which is quite fast. Let's listen.
In a quiet town where nothing exciting ever happened, except for that one time the mayor got stuck in a vending machine, lived a retired magician named Carl, who accidentally turned his Wi-Fi router into a goose. Now, every time someone tried to stream a movie, the goose would honk twice, flap its wings, and lay an egg labeled Bexering. Carl insisted it was just a magical firmware update, but the neighborhood kids swore they saw Netflix buffering in Morse code on the eggs.
How is it? Let's try listening to the original sound.
This is the research headquarters for one of the oldest companies in tech, IBM.
How is IBM? These guys only have 6 seconds of the original voice. Then they come in and train until they can read the message like this. Isn't it great? Well then, let's try listening to my voice. I have to say first that my voice may not be very smooth, so please bear with it for a while. Different telescope design perform differently and have different. How about strength and weakness? My accent is something like that. Come and try it. Listen to this. This is my model, named Amotet134. It sounds exactly the same. Let's try it with my model's voice. This one is a try. It's okay. Let's listen to my voice at the same time. Or what will happen after chain 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Will it be distorted or not? Please rate it in a quiet town where nothing exciting ever happened except for that one time the mayor got stuck in a vending machine. Lived a retired magician named Carl who accidentally turned his router into a goose. Now, every time someone tried to stream a movie, the goose would honk twice, flap its wings and lay an egg labeled backing. Carlin insisted it was just a magical firmware update. The neighborhood kids, they saw Netflix buffering in Moscow. Then the eggs, my friends, you see, right? If our original sound is, when it's distorted when spoken, it comes out of our accent, or if it was before we listen to the British accent, the sound will be very clear. So if we speak clearly and distinctly, I guarantee that when we use it, it will work for us like calling. That was very comfortable. So I tried to create an additional note. This is my personnel note. I'm going to use the subtitles that I use. Use the first note, which is this one. Save the subtitles, which I have installed 2 of here. Like 2 subtitles, if you come to watch in my custom, this one is set to. I put my speech in assets. If anyone has subtitles, please put them in. This folder is thrown in by itself. Well, to put it simply, then press refresh once, it pops up here. And then you guys click on it. After that, we connect the node. I'll take this, delete this first, put the title text in here, and then call the save node and leave it behind. Then select this timestamp and continue with the other timestamp. This selects the cert file and continues with the cert file here. These two parts are for checking the display of worked. Well, I'll share it with my friends. Look, if we go to the page, if we enter the asset like the example. For example, here I have two subtitles, anyone is fine, let's say test. 2. Most subtitle files have numbers, right? Then followed by our script words. Something like this. What my node does is it will delete this number but keep the value. This value is there. And it will convert this value into a number, a name, a file name. After that, we will take the file and gradually paste it on CapCut or video editor. This node is going to send this value one line at a time. That's the idea that I have. Do this, and this display is just for checking the timestamp, and this one checks the information. Just save this and we are still the same. Save the audio and continue with this one. Connect to display. Try generating one time. Look, this audio comes in here. It's complete. And then here, set 0 is the first line. Starting from 0, this is the subtitle, all of that. And then this is the keyframe of the subtitle, and now it's translating. Using my model. This is just to display where it was saved. Okay, so where will it be saved? This file name test 5-minute file name at second 1 second frames. Let's try looking at the lights for 5 minutes. The first light is this one. This is generated at 3 ms. So it will be saved in this folder. The output is in my assets folder. It will create more, right? You guys can come and see it from here in assets. This is the output video. It will create a folder. This is already in this folder. There will be our sound and light. Okay, let's try to understand. And this time, give it to your friends. Forgot one more thing here. You have to choose primitive. We drag it to the index. Because here we will let it generate automatically. I will choose increment. This is the complete workflow here. So here the value 0 is the line. First, let's put it simply. If we increase the generation, it will be the next line. Line 1 automatically is increment is the line. Today, here it is. It is sending values. Oh, it's just right for us. Just start and we'll try again. Start from 0 again. Press run, and then from 1 press run again, which will send the value of this line to line 2, which is number 1. Come in here now, it's getting familiar today. If you want to see what values script it sends, go here and press display again. One display, this is this value. Check and listen to the sound of the second script. Today I will try to install it. ComfyUI, you can use it without using a script. Try pressing the next line. Go to the next line, it will read the text. This "what do you type" is the third line. This is how it will be sent until the last line. So the method is to have your friends come here so that we don't have to press go but go all the way. Press run instance here and press it. Press it every time it does it. When the work is done, it will automatically come back to generate. You can see this green thing running. Go to number 5 and continue. Check from this now. It will generate this message. Here, do you see it? Go to the next line. It's slow. Here it is, I think most of my friends. Do you see this line? It will run gradually until this is finished. I will let it run continuously for my friends to see as an example. It will go line by line, right? Well, I think it's used for work, so I'll take the sound. These are the ones that are put into the avatar model that can speak in a lip sync. Let me have it. I haven't done this model yet, but I'll go get other people's repos that have been completed. It's done. Let's mix them together and connect them to a workflow. Let's do it one at a time. The line is convenient. I didn't press this one at all. My hand didn't press it because we let it run. Automatically, it will keep running. This is the number 12, and then go to number. For those who want a beautiful voice, you have to be careful about the sound. There are many copyright issues as well, because if we use other people's voices, they can sue us. So be careful not to use them. The sound that they have copyrighted, they use something like this, which may cause damage to the reputation. If we assume that we use it in a bad way or cause damage to him, I guarantee that I'll go to jail, because then what I'm doing here, I'm using my own voice, so there's probably no one. Command sue. Even though the accent that comes out may be a bit off, it depends on the accent, ours. But if we are like our friends, if the original sample comes from BBC News has a clear sound that is clear from the original. When it is translated, the quality is good. The sound is crystal clear. Well, it's line 19. I think I have 50 lines, so I'll do it later. Cut it to the part where it's finished. I might do this part in a while. That is, if the subtitles are all gone, it will say this: no more subtitles. And then there will be a warning box like before. Don't be alarmed, it's just subtitles. It's all gone, so there's nothing left to continue. So let's take a look in this folder. Custom, my ComfyUI custom Surtois speech node in assets in audio. Out here you see all the script files are in here as WAV files, which are all. The file will automatically mark the time, which is around 4 minutes 9 seconds. If you guys look here, the last file should be empty because it's not. If there's not enough, then your friends can choose the rest. The file is used to work with the voice that it speaks. It may speak faster, slower than the subtitle. The time of subtitles, if we give an example, let's say we look at the subtitles during the subtitles. Maybe there's a time frame from like 17 seconds to 24 seconds, right? It takes time. It's about 7 seconds of speech. But sometimes when Jane comes out, it's like 5 seconds. It might be said faster, the one we've already learned, so there's a gap at the end. Okay, after we get the sound and light, I haven't tested it yet. I'll go test it. One of the nodes is called Sonic. I saw him use it in